This is a prayer in Bhakti Ratnakar. Shrimad Gopishwaram Vande Shankaram Karunamayam Sarva Klesha Haram Devam Brindaranya Rati Pradam. This means Shrimad Gopishwaram Vande. I offer my respectful obeisances to Sri Gopishwar. Shankar Karunamayam. He is as merciful as Lord Shiva himself. In other words, he is that same Lord Shiva who is made of karuna, saturated with compassion. Gopishwar removes troubles, klesh, adhyatmika klesh, adhibhautika klesh, adhidavika klesh, sarva klesha haram. He takes away the kleshas, all the kleshas and difficulties. Sarva klesha haram devam. He is that great Dev, that great Lord, who takes away all the miseries. And what does he do? Brindaranya Rati Pradam. He gives Brindaranya Rati. He gives Rati, love, spiritual love in Vrindavan. And Brindaranya means, like Aranya, means forest of Vrindavan. So he gives Rati Pradam, Brindaranya. He gives love for the holy Dham. And of course we sing Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan, Jaya Jaya Gopishwara, Vrindavana Maj. All glories to Gopishwar Shiva, who resides in the holy Dham of Vrindavan.